Astonishing ancient financial secrets that still work today. Throughout history, civilizations have risen to greatness by mastering the art of wealth. But did you know that many ancient financial secrets are still used today? From powerful trading strategies to the earliest concepts of banking and investing, these ancient techniques laid the foundation for modern finance. Let's explore the astonishing financial secrets they never taught you. The power of diversification. Long before the stock market existed, ancient traders knew the importance of diversification. In ancient Mesopotamia, merchants would trade a variety of goods, grain, wool, and precious metals, to spread risk. If one market failed, their wealth was protected by investments in other commodities. Today, diversification is a cornerstone of investing. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies, spreading your assets across multiple sectors helps protect your wealth, just like the ancient traders understood. Compound interest in ancient Babylon. One of the earliest recorded examples of compound interest dates back to Babylon. The famous Code of Hammurabi included laws that regulated loans and interest rates. Ancient lenders would loan grain or silver and charge interest over time, creating an early version of compound interest. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world today. By letting your investments grow over time, just as ancient Babylonians did, you can turn small savings into substantial wealth. Early concepts of credit and loans. In ancient Rome, the concept of credit was well developed. Wealthy citizens known as patrons would lend money to merchants and farmers, expecting repayment with interest. This credit system allowed businesses to grow and expand, much like modern-day loans. Fast forward to today, and credit is still a critical component of financial success. Whether it's a mortgage, student loan, or business loan, the ancient Roman system of lending and borrowing paved the way for modern credit markets. The first stock market in ancient Amsterdam. Many believe the stock market is a modern invention, but the roots go back to the Dutch East India Company in the early 1600s. Investors could buy shares in the company, receiving a portion of the profits from trade voyages. This was the first publicly traded company, creating the earliest form of a stock market. Today, the stock market remains a pillar of global finance. The ancient Dutch system showed the power of investing in businesses and profiting from collective success. The value of precious metals. Throughout history, gold and silver have been symbols of wealth and power. Ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Romans stored their wealth in precious metals, using them for trade and as a hedge against economic collapse. Even today, investors turn to gold and silver during times of economic uncertainty. The ancient strategy of holding precious metals remains a reliable way to protect and preserve wealth. Real estate as the ultimate investment. Land has always been a cornerstone of wealth. In ancient China, owning land was considered the ultimate sign of success and power. Wealthy families would pass down land through generations, ensuring long-term financial security. Real estate is still one of the best ways to build wealth today. Whether you're buying property to rent or investing in commercial real estate, the ancient Chinese understood that land is a valuable, lasting asset. Lessons from ancient traders. Ancient Phoenician traders dominated the Mediterranean by mastering the art of negotiation and trade routes. They established trade networks across vast distances, exchanging goods like textiles, glass, and spices. Their success came from understanding markets, supply and demand, and the value of relationships. In modern times, businesses thrive on networking, negotiation, and market analysis, just like the Phoenicians. Learning to trade wisely and build strong connections is a timeless strategy for financial success. These ancient financial secrets show us that the foundations of wealth are timeless. From diversification and compound interest to credit, real estate, and precious metals, the wisdom of the past still guides us today. What financial lesson surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more timeless financial insights.